Hey everybody, it's Albert from TonalEnergy, and this is a TonalEnergy 2.0 features spotlight. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new sound level mixer slide out in TonalEnergy. Alright, so let's get to it. The new sound level slide out mixer pops out from the right hand side of the four main pages of TonalEnergy. So I'm going to give you an example right now. I'm going to slide out with my finger from the right hand side, and check that out. A brand new window pops out, the sound levels. And let's see what that looks like in all of the other pages. Oh, nice little slide out there. Go to the analysis page, picking up my wonderful voice, and then even the metronome page sliding out there. Now, we had a lot of user feedback, and we love user feedback, by the way. Support at TonalEnergy.com. Anytime you have a thought, new idea, or something that can help you practice better, let us know. This was definitely user feedback. The request was a quicker and faster way to be able to change the different volume levels inside of the TonalEnergy app when you're practicing. So we decided to consolidate everything and make a nice little drawer, if you will. It just pops out, and you can pop it back in. But if you check it out, you're able to control the tone generator volume, metronome volume, and you can even control these different volumes simultaneously at the same time and get that done really quick. We also included a file playback level slider down here, so if you're listening to a recording while you're practicing, you can also adjust that without having to go back to the recording studio. And then we also added a new feature here called input monitor. So the quick, easy response to that is that you're able to hear yourself when you're practicing with earbuds. So let's say you're practicing with the headphones on, you're plugged in to TonalEnergy, and you want to kind of balance your sound out with the metronome so you kind of hear it playing back at you. You turn on the input monitor, you can adjust your volume so that you can get it just perfect so that you can hear the tone generator, the metronome, and your sound playing back at the same time, and you balance those out just right, and it enhances your user experience inside of TonalEnergy. How cool is that? So again, this is the new sound level mixer. You swipe out from the right hand side of any of the four main pages of TonalEnergy, and there you have it. You can get back to practicing as fast as you want. And like always, remember to like, follow, and subscribe to all of our social media. If you have any questions, remember support at TonalEnergy is a great way to reach out and let us know what you think. And we also have a new website, www.TonalEnergy.com. Brand new website created, brand new this year. Go check it out. Our new blog is there. We have the help guides and any new information in case you want to learn more about TonalEnergy. All right, so until next time, stay smiley.